Welcome to this video. Now in this video you'll be understanding the basic tools of Capcut. You're understanding the Capcut features, how to import text and audio to your video. Now let's start a new project by clicking on new video. If you want to start a new project, click on new video. Then choose the number of clips that you want to edit. Then you click on add. So now this is our timeline. Now we have 4 clips here. We have 4 clips that we'll be editing, but before that, always be due to go and delete the Capcut watermark. So I scroll down, scroll back. So now the first thing to notice here is the basic tools here. We have the basic tools here, which are edit, audio, text, effects, overlay, and the rest of it. So now if I'm to click on this edit, you will see that the timeline will be highlighted. This particular clip will be highlighted. So let me click on it. So now our video is now highlighted. So now once it is highlighted, you will be seeing options like split your video, volume, animations, effect. So this split is used to cut a video. So cutting a video means it is used to cut some parts. Let's say in this particular video, this from 0 minutes to 0.1 minutes is enough for me. I can split it from here, then delete it. So now I've now deleted that particular video. This is what I did. But before that, for me to go back and bring back the video I deleted, you click on undo here. You click on it, then the video will now be back. So where did I deleted this video from? Just scroll to where we have delete. Then the video is now deleted. So now we now have the shorter clip of it video. So now the next thing here is volume. Now volume is used to reduce the volume of your video and increase. It's just the increase and decrease of a volume of a particular video. So now the next thing we have animation. Animation means how your video comes in. So we have fading animation, although we have different types of animations, but this is fading animation. So as you can see, we can as well increase the fading seconds from this place. The fading seconds, now the longer you increase it, the slower the intro becomes, but the shorter you reduce it, the faster the intro comes in. So this is the fading. We have in animation, we have out animation, we have combo animation. So this particular one is known as in animation. Then let's go over to out animation. As you can see, we have fade outs. So click on fade outs. You can as well. So now observe this red icon is the one for fade out. Why this blue one is the one for fade in. So you can increase the seconds of the fade outs, also decrease it. So let's check. So this is how the video fade in and how it faded out. So that's the fade in, then this is the fade out. So this is how to add animations to your video. Then the next one is effect. Now we have video effects. So this video effect is to add movements to your video. Let's say for this particular video, I want the video to be blur. So now I click on the search icon and search for blur. You wait for it to load. Wait for it. So now it is used to add motions to your video in particular. So that's the work of effects. So wait for it to load. So now it has loaded. So as you can see, blur here, we have different types of blur. We have halo blur, we have different other blur style, we have spots blur. So depending on the one you want to use, there are different type of effects on Capcut, too many of them. So now as you can see, our blur is now being added to our video. As you can see, our video is now blur. So that's how to add effects to your video. Now the next thing is how to add audio to your video. Click on audio. Click on audio. Then we have extract, sound, and sound effect. What is extract? Click on extract. Extract is adding audio that's already in a video. Let's say this particular video. By adding this particular video, I've automatically extracted the audio under the video to add audio to your videos. So now the next thing is adding audio through sounds. So just click on sounds, then you will see audios by default that are already inside Capcut. As you see so many of them that we already have in Capcut. So now to import audio from your own device, click on this folder icon at the top below vlog. Click on it, then click on device. Click on device, then you will see every audio that is on your device you want to use. Maybe you downloaded a voiceover, so this is where you see your voiceover. So this 11 lab is a voiceover. So to add this particular audio now, click on this green plus icon. So click on it. Now this is how to add audios to your video. Now we have successfully added this voiceover to this video. Now we can as well edit our audio. Now this particular audio, you can split it, you can cut off any part you want to cut, you can fade it in. So let's say I want to cut off the start. Just move to that point, then split it, then I will delete this part. So now the video will now start with it's becoming harder. So that's how to split your audio. Then you can as well fade your audio. Now what is the work of fading? Fading is how your video comes in. It comes in very slow. So that's how you add fading and also fade out to your videos. Now the next thing we have volume. It is used to reduce and increase the volume of your video. So now let's move over to how to add text to your video. Now click on text. Click on text, then you click on add text. Now you click on enter text, then you type in what you want to write on your video. Now once you type it in, now you can see that this is the text. It has been, you can use your hand to drag it to any point, then use this small icon here to reduce it or increase it. So now we have templates on text. Now click on this trending. Now it will show you different templates that you can use for your text. So anyone you click, the template will automatically be added. So I clicked on respect. Wait for respect to load. So let's wait for it to load. So this particular place is how to add text to your video. Then adding text, you can use templates, you can change the fonts of your text, you can add style, you can edit any editing in your text. So that's how to edit your text. So let's wait for it to load. I think network is poor. So now this is how to add animations from it. Then let us move over to fonts. Let me check whether if network can still allow. So click on it. I think network is having problem. So you can just come and explore on the template, different templates. There are millions of templates on Capcut. So now we have fonts. So all these things are different writing formats of text. We have elegant, brush, italic, lectern. So these are different format of text you can change your text to. So as you can see, the text has changed to italic. So you can choose any atom of text. We have different millions of them. So now let's move over to style. Remember, we are on editing our text, how to import and edit our text. So this is where you add color, stroke, background. This is where the main editing of text happen. So you can use this particular one. So as you can see, now we have black color and the white stroke at the back, but this one is white color and black stroke at the back. So this is how to, but if you don't want, you can also add your own particular color from this place. Just click on it, then choose the color you want to add. Let's say I want to add this color, just choose the color, then you mark. Now as you can see, we now have our color. Then if you want to add stroke to it, look on this place, you will see stroke. Just click on it, then choose the color of stroke you want to add. Let's choose white. So now as you can see, I've added our stroke. So you can reduce the width of the stroke from here. So as you can see, we have reduced the width of our stroke. So this is place you can edit your text. So now let's say I want video editing to be white in color, then editing should be yellow in color. So I'll just highlight editing from here. Then as you can see, editing is now highlighted from here. So then I'll just highlight it. Make sure the part you want to add color is highlighted. Then go to color, go to text, color, then add white. So as you can see, we now have video to be white, then editing to be yellow. So you can add animations to your text. So now to add animation to this text, click on animations. Now when you click on animations, now we have in animation, we have out and we have loop, just as we have in in animation for text, just as we have for videos. So now we have also fading for text. So as you can see, you can increase the seconds of the fade. Then we also have out animation, also have fade out. So all these small things are the things that make it stand out. So just as you can see, so that's how to add fading and fade out to your text. So this is used to duplicate your text. You can duplicate your text, then you drag it, place it where you want to be. So that's the end of the video. So I think by now we've understood how to add text, how to import videos, how to add audio. All right, now we have come to the end of the video. Now in this video, your assignment is to create highest 30 seconds video, import multiples of clips together, delete some part you want to delete from it, then add your audios, add your animations, and add your text. Then you export and send it to the group before Friday, 12 p.m. Friday tomorrow. So that's the tutorial assignment that you are going to do. So if you have not subscribed to our channel, please be due to subscribe so that you will get notifications on teachings like this, because we'll be giving teachings on website designing, graphic design, video editing, and also affiliate marketing. So subscribe for more. Thank you.